also, lipstick never looks good. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Casey. It has been raining in LA non-stop for a while now, which is really annoying because I'm just really not used to it. All Southern Californians are absolutely horrible when it starts raining. It kind of makes it difficult to do things because at least in LA, most things are outdoor activities. There's a lot of outdoor shopping malls, and it is March. It's March now. It's still raining. So I thought today I would try to find as many fun things as I could do in the rain. I found this list online from wikihow.com, and it's how to find fun things to do when it's raining. My goal for this video is to do as many things on that list as possible while it's raining today. I'm prepared for anything. There's some outdoor parts, there's some indoor parts. I've got my coat on, I've got my boots on, so I'm ready to go. I'll see you out there. Currently sitting in my car, as you can see, with the raining. I'm going to do one of the first things on the list, which is go out to lunch. I'm gonna go to my grandparents' house, pick them up, and take them out to lunch somewhere. I don't know if you can tell, but you'll probably tell more in my intro, but like lately, I have been, well, not lately, just basically today and one other time, tried like super overlining my lips. I think I did a little too much today, but I'm just kind of experimenting. I don't really know how I feel about it. I guess I'm gonna have to kind of let the day go on, figure it out. I really liked it when I did it last time, but last time I didn't do as much as I did today. I love this song, it's so good! All this rain reminds me of this one Florence and the Machine song that I absolutely love. The song that I'm talking about is called Sky Full of Song, and there's this one line where it's like, in a city without seasons, it keeps raining in LA, and I'm like, true. Are you guys ready for lunch?
Yes, I'm so excited.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Yeah?
To see where we're gonna be.
Yeah.
Eating.
Okay, let's go.
Hasta la
Say hi. Me filming myself eating. Just dropped my grandparents off at their house. I'm home. One of the items on the list was to have an impromptu dance party. So that is exactly what I'm about to do in my bedroom. But I'm gonna clean my bedroom first. Wait, no. Okay, we're starting this whole thing over. On the list was to clean. So I'm gonna start by cleaning my bedroom. Shout out to my friend Olivia, who taught me how to properly make a bed. One time I stayed the night at her house and I was making the bed in the morning. She's like, no, you're doing it wrong. So basically you have to take everything off and then put it back on. I used to just kind of like pull things up from where they were, but it works a lot better this way. It is time for the impromptu dance party. Okay, y'all, this is the ultimate. None of you are gonna hear it because of a cute thing called copywriting, but I'm gonna enjoy myself. Think we all addicted. Yeah? That was really fun. I actually thoroughly enjoyed myself. I should do this more when it's raining outside. I don't know why I don't. I actually feel somewhat productive and like happy and healthy. Today has been a fantastic day so far. So we're gonna keep it going in that direction. My mother just got home and she is summoning me to the car to go to dinner. It's currently raining, so I'm just gonna walk. You're gonna watch me get rained on. One of the indoor items on the list is to binge watch some TV and or movies. I'm gonna watch some Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. I've got some ice cream with some Cool Whip and I am ready to go. Last thing that I'm going to do today that was mentioned on the list was to make myself a hot drink. Tonight I'm having some fat-free hot chocolate with Cool Whip inside of it. And you know, I'm just really going for the treats tonight. I love it. It's raining. I'm cozy and I'm happy. I didn't really get through much on the WikiHow on how to have fun in the rain, but I had an extremely good day, which was unexpected because I usually don't like rainy days, as I have made clear so many times in this video. I honestly think that if you have a plan going into things and you just have like a positive outlook on the day, even if it's raining, it'll be a good day. I would highly recommend to do things in the rain and just try and be productive and have a good day with family or friends or whoever you want to surround yourself with. I'm gonna close out this video here. Follow me on my socials, subscribe, comment below if you liked this video, if you didn't like it, if you want to see more videos similar to it, or if you want to see different videos. So let me know and I will see you all next time.